I'm Coyee Hunt, Insect Control Product Manager, and in this video, we're going to talk about our newest half-gallon Protectus bottle and some of its features. Included within your snap-on base is your backpack strap and your spigot cap. On the back of the package is your dip tube. To use it in the upright orientation, attach the dip tube to the bottom of it and screw that onto the bottle. Now, let's put on the applicator gun. If you choose to invert this and use it in this orientation, then there is no need to use the dip tube. Prozap Protectus Pour-On Insecticide IGR for beef, cattle, and calves, available in 2.5 and half-gallon sizes.